This damn thing is a piece of crap. So it's a very sad day. I just had a disaster. Got it on video. Don't miss this, and don't let it happen to you. I'm so mad.
I'm so happy it hurt when they walked out the door. Happy they left my heart broke on the floor. Happy I don't have to fight anymore. Had to leave it behind me, so real love to find me. You opened.
So I gotta apologize. Some of the language or some of the tempers in here, that's not me. That's not how I am. I'm usually the most calm, collected guy. But my first inclination when this happened was, I gotta make a video of it, right? So I was just finishing up my mango wine. I was on the third racking, the second bentonite, and it all just went down from there. Again, make sure you're buying good equipment. I saw this deal on Amazon. I thought I'd try it. They had a 3-gallon carboy for 20 bucks. It seemed like it was very well made, but as soon as I put the wine and lifted it up, this just fell out of the bottom. The whole bottom just fell out. I tell you, I'm gonna make sure I don't have any links to that 3-gallon carboy. Make sure, again, get the right stuff. Buy decent equipment. I just lost a whole 3-gallon batch of mango wine, and now I got to start over because I was promising this to a lot of people. So let's just roll the tape. You can see I still was sanitizing. I was getting to that point, and then all of a sudden, pop! I guarantee it's made in China. No! There was wine everywhere. Fuck. You can see me in this video. I'm grabbing every towel in the house to try and clean this mess up. I'm sure I'll be cleaning wine up every day for the next couple weeks. It's kind of funny. My wife walked in that night and said, "Why does it smell like wine in here?" Well, she doesn't know until she watches this video of what exactly happened. And yes, my pants were drenched in wine. No comments on the boxers. I'm just so disgusted right now. And I got more batches to rack today, but I guess I got this carboy now. And I hate this hobby. I don't know. I'm just so down right now. I need a little bit of wine. Well, this is not mango wine, but I tell you, after cleaning up that disaster, I needed this. I'm gonna probably be wiping up wine for days on this kitchen floor. My wife is not gonna be happy. I don't even want to rack the rest of it. Damn it! This sucks. Winemaking's supposed to be fun, right? It wasn't today. It set me back a week. I don't have that kind of time. Should have had it in the sink, maybe, but how do you do a video in there? This damn thing is a piece of crap. I guarantee it's made in China. You might not see part 2 of this mango wine, but it's very similar to my other wines, so I'll make sure I recreate this part 2 mango wine. It's just going to take me a little while longer. Thanks, and what can you do, right?